This is our Kalamazoo abrasive cutoff saw. It takes a 12 or 14-inch blade. It's 5 horsepower, 220 volt, 3-phase. It's got 2 swiveling vices, coolant system. That's a heavy-duty gusher pump. Not a lot to show, but we'll bring it on for you. Move the vices and pivot the head. Bringing the saw on, which also brings the pump. You'll see that move. Don't want to run the pump too long without water. This is the head, it's manual. Vices. This is our Kalamazoo abrasive saw. Oh, it'll cut a 2.5 solid and a 3-inch piece of pipe. Thank you for watching.